Okay. Next topic is electrophilic addition reaction. Okay. Under this topic, we will discuss also Markovnikov's rule. Okay. Markovnikov's rule. So, we will take one reaction and by mechanism of this reaction we will clearly understand electrophilic addition reaction. Okay. So, plus HBr. This is propene. When propene react with HBr, it will produce these compounds. Okay. When HBr react with propene, it will produce these two compounds, 1 bromopropane or 2 bromopropane. Okay. This product is formed in major amount and this is in minor amount. It means major product will be 2 bromopropane. This is the net reaction. Okay. This is net reaction. So, how this happen, we will discuss in the form of mechanism. Okay. So, mechanism is the path of reaction. Which type of reaction? Complex reaction. Because complex reaction always happen in the steps. So, the mechanism in the beginning, propene, this is unsymmetrical alkene. This is unsymmetrical alkene. When we mix HBr in it, so what will happen? In the presence of HBr, in polar condition, it becomes H plus ion and Br negative ion. It is associated to both the species. Okay. So H plus ion attract these pair of electrons, means pi electrons, and pi electrons shifted towards any one of the any carbon atom. So, sorry, we have two situations. First situation is, this is first way. This is first way. H want to attack this carbon atom. How is it possible? H को यहाँ यदि जोड़ना है तो कैसे जोड़ेगा? Okay. The pair of electron shifted to this carbon atom and this becomes negatively charged. Okay. So by shifting of this pair, the bond will disappear and this carbon having plus charge and this is negatively charged. At this situation, H plus ion attack to this carbon atom and we will get this. You understand? All the valencies are satisfied with hydrogen. Okay. This is in your practice already. So H attached with that carbon atom and carbon becomes carbocation. Second option or second way. Suppose hydrogen attached to this carbon atom. Hydrogen attached to this carbon atom. This is second way. Okay. By first way we will get this intermediate, and if hydrogen wants to attack this carbon atom, it means this should be negatively charged. How is it possible? I differentiate both the transfer by dotted line and solid line. Okay. If hydrogen wants to attack this carbon atom, it is necessary that this should be negatively charged because hydrogen is positive charge. So this electron pair shifted to this side and it becomes negatively charged, and hydrogen will attach at second carbon atom. Okay. After this, Br negative ion definitely goes to that carbon atom because it will carry positive charge. So the product is BRH. Okay. In this side, Br transferred to this carbon atom and the product is this. Clear? So once again I explain. When we take unsymmetrical alkene and unsymmetrical addition compound, so positive charge H plus ion attack to this carbon atom, and we will get intermediate like this, and after that final product will be this one. यदि हाइड्रोजन यहाँ आना है, इसका मतलब है पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन को इस तरफ शिफ्ट होना पड़ेगा, तब ये नेगेटिवली चार्ज होगा और तब इस पे हाइड्रोजन ऐड होगा, और हाइड्रोजन के ऐड होने से ये कार्बोकेटायन बनेगा, उसके बाद ब्रोमाइड उस पे अटैच होगा. क्लियर है? विच विल बी द मेजर प्रोडक्ट? इन दोनों में से कौन सा ज्यादा होगा? ठीक है. बिफोर आई टीच this is secondary carbocation, this is secondary carbocation and this is primary carbocation. Okay. In primary and secondary carbocation, which one is more stable? That one. Because the stability order of carbocation, secondary, tertiary, then primary. So secondary is more stable than primary. So the amount of this intermediate is large as compared to this one. So definitely bromide, lot of bromide ions attack towards this carbon atom, and the final product is found in a major amount. So ये ज़्यादा बनेगा और this is in less amount, less, and this is more. Okay. Finally, we have seen this is the major product. Okay. As per Markovnikov rule, मार्कोनी ने क्या कहा था? In unsymmetrical unsaturated compound, when any unsymmetrical species going to be added, so the negative part, electronegative part of that species add to that carbon atom which has less number of hydrogen atoms. This carbon having only one hydrogen atom and this having 2, 3. Okay, so among both the unsaturated carbon, this carbon having less number of hydrogen atoms, therefore the electronegative part will be added to this carbon atom. Okay, so this is the Markovnikov rule. Okay, why we call this mechanism or this reaction as electrophilic addition reaction? Okay, because in this mechanism, this is electrophile. So electrophile, okay, I have cleaned all the unwanted part for this concept. Okay, this is the reaction way or mechanism or steps. Okay, so this is electrophile, and this electrophile when attached to that carbon atom, this is the slow step. Remember this? All the slow steps of any reactions is determine the rate of reaction. Rate determining step. Okay? So, addition of electrophile is slow step. ठीक है, जब ये स्लो स्टेप है इसीलिए इसे हम रेट डिटरमिनिंग स्टेप कह रहे हैं। और कई बार हम स्टेप्स के बेस पर, सब स्पीशीज के बेस पर, साइंटिस्ट के बेस पर रिएक्शन का नाम दे देते हैं। सो इलेक्ट्रोफाइल का एडिशन स्लो स्टेप में हो रहा है, इसीलिए हम इसको इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एडिशन रिएक्शन कहते हैं। वंस अगेन आई रिपीट Markovnikov rule. As per Markovnikov rule, when any unsymmetrical molecule added to unsymmetrical unsaturated compound, so the electronegative part of that molecule will be attached to that carbon atom which has less number of hydrogen atom or which carbon is highly substituted. ये कार्बन हाईली सब्स्टिट्यूटेड है एज कंपेयर टू दिस कार्बन एटम, बिकॉज वन ऑफ द हाइड्रोजन सब्स्टिट्यूटेड बाय मिथाइल ग्रुप। सो इन दोनों में से ये सब्स्टिट्यूटेड है। ठीक है, तो ये Markovnikov एडिशन है, इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एडिशन है, एंड वी विल अप्लाई Markovnikov रूल। रिमेंबर दिस, इन द पोलर कंडीशन दिस चेंज इज ओनली इन पोलर कंडीशन।